Recipe time with choosing foods for me. Remember to keep food safe and fight back. Clean, separate, cook, and chill. Clean. Clean your hands. Make sure you do it for 20 seconds. Get between those fingers, round those wrists, in those nails, and then dry and turn off the water. Clean. Remember to clean your surfaces before you make recipes in the kitchen. You can do this by making your own solution with 1/4 teaspoon of non-scented bleach and 2 cups of water. Always remember to rinse your produce before eating it or using it in a recipe. Tutti Frutti Pudding Cup. So our ingredients call for instant vanilla pudding, milk, and some granola. I'm using granola cereal. I'm going to use 3 cups of milk because I couldn't find a small package of instant vanilla pudding. So that's why I'm using more milk. And I almost forgot all the yummy berries. I chose strawberries and blueberries for this yummy recipe. So I have all my ingredients. I've already washed my blueberries and strawberries and cut them and measured out my cereal. But we still have to mix the instant Jell-O pudding. Instant Jell-O pudding, you mix for 2 minutes, put it in the fridge for 3 minutes. Pour your 3 cups of milk. That reminds me, we need 3 cups of milk to keep our bones strong. Add pudding mix and stir for 2 minutes. Then refrigerate and it's magic. Just took 3 minutes for this creaminess. So the original serves 6, but this one serves more. Let's scoop it up so we can taste it because this is the most yummy recipe I might have ever made for a dessert. Made 3 to share for a snack and saved the rest to make it dessert. This is packed with vitamin C because of the berries and also contains the food groups dairy and grains. You can find this 4-H FNEP recipe in the 4th grade curriculum, Choosing Foods for Me.